Introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Suresh Suryavanshi. I am from Shajapur and I have done BTech from Malwa Institute of Science Technology, and my hobbies are listening music.
Listening music. Okay. Uh, Tell me the default packages of Java. Default package of Java.
Java.lang package.
Java.lang package. Okay. What is the object class in Java?
Sir, object class that contain all types of data like like integer, boolean, and character and string and all types of data.
Okay. What is the wrapper class in Java?
Sir, wrapper classes are that classes the, that is that is used to convert all primitive data to object pattern.
Okay. What is boxing in Java?
Sir, conversion of all primitive data to object, that is called boxing.
Okay. Okay. How to declare infinite loop in Java?
Sir, by using while loop.
By using while loop. What you will write for infinite loop in while?
Sir, I can't hear what.
What the syntax for while loop for infinite loop?
Sir, first of all, we write while keyword, then in bracket condition, and then braces open and close, and in braces.
What condition? If you are writing the condition, then it is the infinite loop. What condition you will write for infinite loop?
सर जब तक सर कंडीशन ट्रू रहेगी तब तक लूप चलेगा.
Means you will write true, na?
Yes,
You will
sir.
write
Yes,
true
sir.
in place of conditions.
Yes,
Simply
sir.
you say that while true.
Yes.
Without true, if we want to create the infinite loop in while, then what you will do?
Sir, I don't know.
Any logic behind this? If this logic we will implement, then this loop will be infinite.
No, sir. Don't know.
Okay. What happened when we write semicolon when for block will be closed? Okay, means for block, not the block body, for block, and we just put semicolon. Then what happened? It will provide error
Sir,
or not provide error?
Sir, it will provide error.
100% sure it will provide error. Suppose that in for loop I will write int I equals to 1. Int I will be declared globally. Int I global variable. In for loop I will write I equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus, and just put semicolon. And after that I will write system.out.println I.
Yes, sir.
Okay, under the for block. What will be the output?
Sir, I think error, no, not error.
Not provide error.
No,
What will be the output?
Sir, output first time increment.
You understand my question?
Sir, not.
I am just asking, I will create program in your mind.
Yes, sir.
I am creating class,
Yes, sir.
int I, one variable. After that for loop, I equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Put semicolon. After that opening bracket, closing bracket, and simply I will write system.out.println I. What will be the output?
Sir, I think it will give error.
It will give error.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Or exception.
Error or exception. Both it can be provided. Exception can be compile time.
Yes, sir.
Exception can be raised at compile time.
Yes, sir.
Which one? Which exception?
Sir,
Tell me the name of exception which will raise the exception at compilation time.
no, sir, I don't know.
You don't know. What is the difference between error and exception?
Sir, exception is that we can handle, but error that is not handled. That is not by handled.
Error you cannot handle.
Yes, sir. Error not can.
If error not handled, then how software will create? If error not handled, then how software will create? Software industry, then what they will do? They will close, shut down. If error not solved, then IT company will be closed in India or in abroad also. No one will work.
I mean, not permanently solved, but temporary, I think.
Error will be solved temporarily, means after 2 or 3 days again error will come in software. You will purchase this software.
No sir, then we सर हम उसको फिर ठीक कर सकते हैं इस बीच.
You can solve the errors.
Yes.
And exception you can't solve. What is the throwable?
Sir, throwable is a super class of object.
Super class of
No,
object
sir. No sir, all exception.
of all exceptions.
All exceptions.
Means which is the child class of throwable?
Sir, object.
Object is a child class of throwable.
No sir. Object is a super class, then throwable. Sorry sir.
I am asking child class of throwable.
Throwable child.
Yes,
Sir, exception.
exception.
Yes sir.
Can I call the method of child class from parent class object?
Parent class object.
Yes. Can I call child class method from parent class object? Is it possible?
I think possible sir.
How?
By super keyword.
By super keyword. You heard my question properly? I am asking about can it possible to call child class method from parent class object? Is it possible? You have problem on understandability of question. You not understand question properly.
Yes.
मैं आपसे ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि पेरेंट क्लास के ऑब्जेक्ट के थ्रू चाइल्ड क्लास के मेथड को कॉल कर सकते हैं कि नहीं?
चाइल्ड क्लास के ऑब्जेक्ट को सर
पेरेंट क्लास के ऑब्जेक्ट के थ्रू चाइल्ड क्लास के मेथड को कॉल कर सकते हैं कि नहीं?
कर सकते सर. आई थिंक इनहेरिटेंस के थ्रू.
इनहेरिटेंस के थ्रू पेरेंट क्लास के ऑब्जेक्ट के थ्रू चाइल्ड क्लास के मेथड को कॉल कर सकते हैं इनहेरिटेंस के थ्रू. ये आप ऐसा आंसर दे रहे हैं, नहीं कर सकते हैं. चाइल्ड क्लास के ऑब्जेक्ट के थ्रू पेरेंट क्लास को कॉल करेंगे ना, कि पेरेंट क्लास के ऑब्जेक्ट के थ्रू चाइल्ड क्लास को. इनहेरिटेंस तो पेरेंट टू चाइल्ड, मतलब पेरेंट के फीचर चाइल्ड में आए ना.
सॉरी सर.
ठीक है, ठीक है, आप थोड़ा प्रिपेयर करिए. ठीक है, कॉन्फिडेंस स्किल ठीक है आपकी. आप क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं समझ रहे हैं, इसका थोड़ा आपको इंग्लिश समझना पड़ेगा, कम्युनिकेशन पे थोड़ा सा वर्क करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, और ये सब चीज़ें आप अच्छे से इम्प्लीमेंट करें. ठीक है, ओके.